HSI-MAX series solar inverter. Hybrid solar UPS inverter has a power range from 1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatts. This is UPS inverter pure sine wave output inbuilt with 35 amp AC charger. And it also chooses 30 amp, 60 amp MPPT solar charge controller with an intelligent cooling system, using the latest toroidal transformer with triple surge power. It supports a freezer conditioner, welder, and big capacity appliances. Inbuilt with 3 control modes for different demands. Support SLA, AGM, GEL.